guys, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for checking out today's video. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the K690 studio recording microphone from Fifine. Now this microphone currently costs around $95 on Amazon, and if you act quickly, there's currently an additional 10% off coupon that you can add instantly and directly from the product page on Amazon itself. I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in the comment section below, but before I do, let's go ahead and unbox and review this thing. Now, if you've seen some of my previous videos, you'll notice that I've reviewed a number of microphones from different manufacturers, with Fifine being one of them. In my experience, Fifine has been one of those manufacturers with pretty good quality microphones at pretty affordable prices. So today I'll be reviewing the K690, which is one of Fifine's new freestanding desktop studio microphones. It's supposed to be good for vocals, YouTube, streaming, gaming, video conference, and virtually anything you can think of from a recording perspective. So today we'll put it to the test, but before we do so, let's unbox it and see what we get. The packaging for most Fifine products, at least for those that I've previously unboxed and reviewed, has always been top-notch. This is no different for the K690. Simple and elegant, but very durable packaging is what you can expect. The box is clean and gives you an idea of what comes in the package. And aside from that, it also gives you the specs for the microphone itself. There is no tape or seal to cut away, and the inner container of the box is contained with a slide-off sleeve. The inner box itself is a thick cardboard material and easily just lifts off to reveal the inside contents. What you'll usually find standard in all Fifine products is your detailed user guide and a contact card, in case you need support or any assistance of any kind. This user guide gives you basic instructions on how to set up your microphone as well as its uses. You'll also find that the microphone and all components are securely packed using form-fitting foam. So it looks like this microphone, aside from being freestanding, comes with a mount screw and adapter, so you can secure it to a microphone boom arm in case you just don't want it sitting on your desk. In addition to that, it looks like it also comes with a USB to mini USB connector, so you can plug it directly into your PC. The quality and the design of the cable seems very solid, and what's good is that it comes with an attached Velcro cable tie for easy cable management. Now the microphone itself folds out and has a pretty good weight to it. It does not feel cheap at all, but instead pretty premium, and is made up of a thick steel and metal. It's got a number of plastic knobs and buttons, and it does seem to have a lot of good features on the microphone itself. On the bottom of the microphone is where you connect the USB power cable, as well as a headphone jack for monitoring. This is also where the screw hole for mounting is located in case you want to connect it to a tripod or a boom arm. This microphone is meant to be freestanding, and it gives you the flexibility to move the microphone 180 degrees either forward or backwards. So let's start by talking about some of the features of this microphone. It's got a 3-capsule array, which means it should be able to capture and convert sound waves and audio signals for much clearer output. It's also loaded with pretty much any feature and function that anyone can ask for. It's got a volume knob to adjust the audio input levels. It's mountable to most boom arms and tripod stands. It's got a headphone jack to allow for audio monitoring, as well as a knob to adjust the headphone volume. And it's got an onboard mute button, so you can mute the mic at any time. And probably what I like best about this microphone is its adaptability for any type of recording situation. It's got an independent knob, so you can adjust to 4 different recording patterns, making this mic an all-in-one all-purpose microphone, allowing you to switch the mic to Cardioid, Omni, bidirectional, and a stereo microphone for different pickup patterns. It's also plug and play and compatible for both Macs and PCs. I also like the matte black finish, and it's fairly heavy and durable feeling, and has a pretty solid design. It definitely feels like a premium product, and all for $100, which is incredible. The included stand allows you to adjust the microphone 360 degrees directionally, and it makes virtually no sound at all. And the rubbery feel of the adjustment, I assume, helps it to reduce noise and bounce fluctuations as you're adjusting the mic. I also like when a lot of care is put into the attention to detail from a design perspective. Aside from the quality and the look and the feel of the microphone, the same level of quality was also thought about when it comes to the cable itself, which has rounded and smooth and stylish connectors and an attached Velcro cable tie, which I always appreciate. Now to test the quality, the function, and the 4 different recording patterns, I'm going to switch to the K690 microphone for the rest of this video. Now, since this is set by default to stereo, we'll test that recording pattern first. Now as the primary speaker, you want to face the side with the Fifine logo towards you. In stereo mode, the microphone should be capturing audio using the left and the right channels to provide a wide and realistic sound recording. This mode is typically best if you want to record acoustic, choir, or an immersive sound experience. Next, we'll set this microphone to omnidirectional, which means the mic will pick up sound equally from all around the microphone. So as I spin the mic around, it should capture a pretty consistent stream of audio all the way around without many peaks and dips. This mode is typically used for complete immersion recordings, where you want to capture the feeling of actually being there, such as concerts. This would be ideal for multi-person podcasts and conference calls. The third setting is the Cardioid setting, where the microphone captures only the sound directly in front of it. This is probably going to be the setting that I use the most and is the best setting for recording a podcast, streaming, singing, and voiceovers. And again, for this mode, the Fifine logo should be facing you. And I almost forgot, in all of these settings you can adjust the volume real time using the knob to increase and decrease the recording level, as well as mute if needed. Now in this setting, as I rotate the microphone, my voice should start to drop off until the microphone is again facing me. And finally, the last setting is the bidirectional setting, which captures audio from the front and the rear of the microphone. This setting is great for duets or dual-person podcasts, or interviews where the participants are facing each other. Now because I'm cycling through all of the settings, I won't know what the audio sounds like until I actually edit this video. Let me know in the comments section below how this microphone sounds to you. I briefly talked about the build quality of this K690 microphone earlier. The body and virtually all the components are made up of a solid steel and aluminum, giving it a very durable feel. Now for the price, this makes this microphone a great value. I like the compact size, and it absolutely has more features compared to its more expensive counterparts. In fact, even a lot of the more well-known name brand microphones don't come with as many capabilities as this microphone does, and at half the cost. So now that I've used the K690 and tested the different functions and features, what do I think about this microphone from Fifine? Well, judging by the sound quality itself, which by the way is unedited, and on top of all that, the various settings and features, I can confidently say the K690 microphone is well worth the money and definitely something you should pick up if you're in need of a microphone. Its price is competitive, and not many microphones out there can compare with the amount of rich features it has at such an affordable price. You definitely won't go wrong with this one. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Please smash that like button and subscribe. I really do appreciate the support. Make sure you also click that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.